Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pablo. In this video I will be showing you how to use your SD card as internal storage. So if you have a device with low storage and you have a high space memory card inserting it, I think it will be better you use your memory card as internal storage, because maybe you want to put a multiple of applications and you just can't get through because storage. So what we're going to be doing in this video, I'm going to be teaching you step by step how to use your memory card as your internal storage, at least so you can be able to install more applications. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe, please like, share. If any other thing, just write it down in the comment section and I'm going to check it out. So without wasting any time, we're going to go straight to our phone setting. And after opening setting, we're just going to go straight to our phone storage. So next we're going to click on the three dot right in front of the memory card. So after that, we're going to click on format as internal storage. So before continuing the formatting process, make sure you back up your memory card. So when we are done with this entire process, you're going to see your phone memory going to be your memory card storage, so don't be confused. And also make sure your memory card you are using have more storage than your phone. So before doing this process, check your phone storage and that of your memory card. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and if you are new, please subscribe to this channel, please. So what we want to do now is to move our data to our memory card. So we're just going to click on the move data option. So to confirm this, we're just going to go to our file manager and then we're going to check our phone storage. Thanks so much for watching this video. Going to be back in another video soon.